My man and I are on our way. We are on our way. I have an appointment and my man is taking me there. This man is annoying me this morning. What the hell? He's saying that I'm saying doing the things. What is doing the things? I am angry. A lot of things has happened that is absolutely disgusting. Emrad sent me a video yesterday about some young Nigerian kids that they thought or think that they are homosexuals, and they were parading them on the streets of wherever it is in Nigeria, and think that it is okay for you to traumatize children that you don't even know if they are gay or not. That is not even the point. Even if they are gay, why is this okay that a lot of you adults are doing something like this? Where are these children's parents that you find it okay to parade them on the streets and get them to carry placards and say things like, I will stop sucking on bola, I will stop sleeping with men? Some of the messages were just damn right stupid and disgraceful. I'm going to say this to some of you Nigerians who don't have common sense, who think that this is okay. This is not okay. It is not okay. People are born gay. It is okay to be homosexual. There is nothing wrong with them being gay if that's what they are. Why can you not just treat them differently and bring them and ask them questions and support them? You have traumatized these children for the rest of their lives, that they will maybe need therapy because of the way a lot of you who are adults in their life are irresponsible. Some of you Nigerians need to get a grip, because things like this are never okay. On Sundays, some of you will go to church and think that God will listen to your prayers, and some of you will call yourselves Christians and religious people, and you think that this is okay. The preachings of Jesus Christ that all of you quote all the time say, love thy neighbor as thyself, come one, come all. A lot of you are just extremely wicked people using religion to cover up. Some of you are just wayward and wicked, and you use religion to do this. Let me go to my appointment, Biko.
It was great.
We are at a Tesla supercharger station. We want to charge for a little bit. That's what we're doing. 30% more? Okay. We have 64% now, so we just need like maybe 10 minutes to get it to like 80 or something, or more than that.
No, we don't need to go to.
We don't need to get it to 80?
No.
It was a really, really long day. We will charge up to 50%, and I want to go into a store that is close by here. I want to get something there. I don't even know if I should buy it because my man doesn't want me to buy something like this, but I will. Anyhow, thank you so much for spending the day with us. Thank you for being here. Join the movement for visibility and representation. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.